Hi guys! In this video, we are going to show you the top 5 best Cuisinart coffee makers in 2025 that are available on the market. We have made this list in our personal experience and hours of research and have listed them based on their user opinions, prices, quality, durability and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. Also, I have included the links in the description below, and also make sure like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell button for upcoming video notification. Okay, so let's get started with the product reviews. Starting at top number 5 place is Cuisinart 14-cup glass carafe coffee maker. The Cuisinart 14-cup glass carafe coffee maker combines style, convenience, and advanced technology for an exceptional brewing experience. With expert coffee making technology, it ensures hotter coffee without sacrificing flavor, delivering a rich and satisfying cup every time. The brew strength control lets you choose between regular and bold settings to suit your taste preferences. This fully automatic coffee maker features 24-hour programmability, 1 to 4 cup settings for smaller servings, and auto-off functionality for added convenience. An optional ready alert tone enhances its user-friendly design. The 14-cup glass carafe, with a decorative stainless steel handle and matching body, provides generous servings and complements any kitchen decor. The easy-to-view water window ensures accurate filling, and the brew pause feature allows you to pour a cup mid-cycle without waiting. Perfect for everyday use or entertaining, the Cuisinart coffee maker delivers performance and elegance in one sophisticated appliance. Top number 4 is Cuisinart DCC1200P1 Brew, Central 12-cup Programmable coffee maker. The Cuisinart DCC1200P1 Brew, Central 12-cup Programmable coffee maker combines functionality and sophistication to deliver consistently delicious coffee. This fully automatic coffee brewer features 24-hour programmability, 1 to 4 cup settings for smaller servings, and adjustable auto-off functionality, 0 to 4 hours, making it convenient for both busy mornings and leisurely coffee breaks. With a variable heater plate offering low, medium, and high settings, you can customize your coffee's temperature to your preference. The 12-cup glass carafe is designed with an ergonomic comfort grip handle, a dripless spout, a lid, and a knuckle guard for added ease and safety. Durability and freshness are ensured with the included permanent gold tone coffee filter and built-in charcoal water filter, delivering pure, rich coffee flavor every time. Complete with a measuring scoop, starter paper filters, and an instruction booklet, this coffee maker meets North American electrical standards for reliability and quality. The top number 3 is Cuisinart 12-cup Programmable coffee maker. The Cuisinart DCC1200P1 Brew, Central 12-cup Programmable coffee maker combines functionality and sophistication to deliver consistently delicious coffee. This fully automatic coffee brewer features 24-hour programmability, 1 to 4 cup settings for smaller servings, and adjustable auto-off functionality, making it convenient for both busy mornings and leisurely coffee breaks. With a variable heater plate offering low, medium, and high settings, you can customize your coffee's temperature to your preference. The 12-cup glass carafe is designed with an ergonomic comfort grip handle, a dripless spout, a lid, and a knuckle guard for added ease and safety. Durability and freshness are ensured with the included permanent gold tone coffee filter and built-in charcoal water filter, delivering pure, rich coffee flavor every time. Complete with a measuring scoop, starter paper filters, and an instruction booklet, this coffee maker meets North American electrical standards for reliability and quality. And top number 2 is Cuisinart DGB550BKP1 Automatic Coffee Maker. The Cuisinart DGB550BKP1 Automatic Coffee Maker brings convenience and fresh flavor to your coffee routine. With 24-hour programmability, you can set it in advance and wake up to a freshly brewed pot. The 12-cup glass carafe features an ergonomic handle, dripless pour spout, and knuckle guard for a comfortable and mess-free experience. For coffee lovers who prefer freshly ground beans, the built-in grinder grinds whole beans just before brewing, ensuring rich, flavorful coffee. The grind-off option also accommodates pre-ground coffee for added flexibility. The 1 to 4 cup setting brews smaller quantities with enhanced strength, while the brew pause feature lets you pour a cup mid-cycle. An auto shut-off adds safety and energy efficiency. Designed for ease, the separate grinder chamber and filter area make cleanup simple. Built to North American electrical standards, this coffee maker offers reliability and performance for fresh, aromatic coffee every time. And the top number one is Cuisinart DCC-T 2014 Cup Programmable Coffee Maker. The Cuisinart DCC-T 2014 Cup Programmable Coffee Maker combines modern design and advanced features to elevate your coffee experience. Its full touchscreen controls offer an intuitive and sleek interface, making it easy to program and operate. The 14-cup glass carafe is perfect for serving large groups or enjoying multiple cups throughout the day. With brew strength control, you can select between regular or bold coffee to suit your taste. This coffee maker is fully automatic with 24-hour programmability, allowing you to set your brew time in advance for added convenience. Additional features include a 1 to 4 cup setting for smaller servings, self-clean functionality, and an auto-off option, 0 to 4 hours, for safety and energy efficiency. Designed for hotter brewing, it delivers flavorful coffee at the perfect temperature. An optional ready alert tone provides further convenience, ensuring this coffee maker is as functional as it is stylish. Perfect for coffee enthusiasts seeking quality and ease. Thanks for watching our countdown of the top 5 best Cuisinart coffee makers. We hope this helps you find the. Check out the description below for more information, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Cuisinart coffee makers reviews and kitchen tips. Thank you.